Let's have a look at the ingredients for our yummy tofu mayonnaise. 200 grams of tofu, 1 clove of garlic, half a teaspoon of lime juice, some salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard powder and a little bit of water. We'll start by putting the oil and the lime juice into the blender first. Lime juice. Then comes the garlic, clove, salt and pepper and the mustard powder. Next thing we need to do is crush the tofu and add it into the blender and blend away. Our tofu is evenly blended now. I'm going to add a little bit of water and some chili to give it a chili hit. Blend it once again till it's evenly distributed. And that's it, our vegan tofu mayonnaise is done. Our yummy tofu mayonnaise is now ready to serve. It goes great with some sweet potato wedges or even with some carrot sticks. If you like this recipe, subscribe to India Food Network and write in with your feedback and comments.